Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Passing the Lee and Tree Dirt with Tracy and her granddaughter, Koko.
Hey
This
guys,
is Koko.
I used to work with
This
her
is
a lot.
Koko. Yeah, she used to do this like Mimi did. But anyway, she's here
Years
for.
ago.
Yeah, okay, we don't need it. They don't need to know all that. She's here for the summer, and I'm showing a few skills. I'm trying to, you know what? I'm gonna cut it off. I'm trying to show her a few things. So we're about to grind these eggs, and what are the eggshells for?
The garden.
Oh yeah, they're for the garden. Okay, and you don't have to do all that. We're not doing all that. So just put the eggs in there. I've never done them in a blender. I always do them in that coffee grinder. So I'm gonna try them in a blender. I think I saw someone do that on YouTube. Go spell them. Just a little extra. Okay, then put the top on.
You just call me extra.
Yes.
Oh wait, that makes sure everything's out.
Okay, let's see how this works with this. So let me see. I forgot how to use it. Like this, I forgot. Okay, we're gonna figure it out. Hold on.
That scared me.
Okay. How do you make it continue to go? I haven't used it in a while, yeah. Just bear with me.
That's speed. Oh my gosh. Scary.
Edit. That's just intermittently. How do you do it?
That says time right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. Oh, now we got it. My God. We got to hold it. Okay, let go for a minute. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay.
So you gotta hold it to start it.
Get them grounded up like powder. So I'm going to shake it a little bit and then do it again. Yeah, push the bottom one first. Now that. That's it. That's it. Turn it out. Oh! Okay, so now let's try and pour it back in here. And we've got these eggshells for the garden. And eggshells are what? Potassium? Phosphorus? Potassium? I forgot. Calcium. Right? Calcium. I think. I don't know.
Fossils.
Ooh. And they stink.
Ugh.
Alright, let's see if we can pour that in here.
Like that.
Girl?
Oh, I'm scared. Mmm. So yummy. You want to season your eggs with eggs?
Okay, tap it upside down on the sink. So look at there. Now this will dissolve much faster than eggshells. This will mix into the soil much quicker. Let me put this on pause because you're over there tripping. Hold on. So that was calcium for the eggs. So now I've peeled bananas and dehydrated them, but I have all these banana peels. And I put them in the oven. I peeled them and then I sliced them up. This light is not worth a darn in here. And put them in the oven at 200 degrees for several hours until they dehydrated. And you can use your dehydrator also. So I've never ground these up, but I saw a YouTube person do it, and we're going to try it. So, yep, let's do this.
Let's do this, baby.
And this is for the potassium in your garden. So we're going to have banana peel powder. Interesting. Do a little bit at a time so we can see what it's going to do. Because they're hard.
Do you think it would be tasty if I tried this?
No, you don't eat peels. You are crazy. Wow. I was trying to get some out to show them.
Oh.
We're having such fun here. This is what they look like. Oh, my light is awful.
Yeah, it's just because of that. It's like every time you get closer, it like.
Let me put you on pause for a minute. So I changed the angle. I think the lighting is better this way. Yeah. So we're just going to do a little bit at a time to see how it works.
Oh, I was going to start with at the top.
No, you got to put the top on.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see how this works.
Oh.
We're going to stir them up a little bit, I'm sure. Don't take it off.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. See?
Next time. Okay, put the top back on and let's see.
You smell good.
Mm-hmm. Smell good, really good.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ooh, we got banana peel powder. Let's see it. Let me see that picture.
You guys, she's going to show you.
Oh, my goodness.
They got you grind up a little bit.
Yeah, you got to grind it a little more. I don't know if you can see that.
Well, we can add some more
We got
now.
powder. Okay, now add more.
This smells really good.
I'm trying to domesticate her. It's a little easier with Mimi. She's 5 and she's learning everything and she's enjoying it. I don't know if she's enjoying this or not. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, that's what I'm going.
She's a little slower, you know what I mean? Okay, go ahead.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, tell her the
This
truth.
man is a bully.
Go ahead and try and fill it up. Because we know we'll stir it up if it, takes too long.
Come on now.
She needs a little help.
I do not know. You're just bullying me on this camera. Oh my gosh.
Okay, just try that much. Alright, here we go again, y'all.
So, what should you start? Press the button. Hold it.
I'll stir it up a little bit. Help it out a little bit.
Where do you think you're going?
That should be good. Stir it up. We have to keep stirring it up. That first batch, I guess it's too many in there. That first batch went a lot faster. Try it again. So we'll be back when we get all these done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so some that we learned to like make it go by faster, you need to use smaller amounts so it get grinded up better, and it'll go faster.
Yes.
Because when you use that big old amount, it took us a little while to do that, y'all. Little while.
Okay, so get those in there. Let's see how fast this section goes. And I don't know how many banana peels this is. I've been saving them for a while. I just dehydrated 10 bananas yesterday, and I already had banana peels before that dried out. All right. This shouldn't take as long. So much faster. Don't overstuff your blender like we did. All set? A little bit more. Okay, tap the top. Alrighty, let's put it aside.
Let's see how much you got off the top.
And this is what it's looking like.
It smells really good.
Almost looks like coffee, and it's real silky smooth. Really, really smooth.
Mm-hmm. It's really soft.
Okay, hold that open. I'll go back.
Let you guys see it. If you guys were feeling, you can like see how soft it is.
Good enough. And we're done.
Made a little mess again.
Yep, let me see. Camera's not doing justice. It looks black. You don't see that. Anywho, we're done with that. We got the eggs, so this is nice sized eggs. And then we also, I showed her how to dehydrate strawberries. So we cleaned strawberries, sliced them up, and they're in the dehydrator now. And I did bananas last night without her. So we have 5 trays of strawberries. So thanks for watching. Peace and love. We'll see you
guys.
soon.
See y'all soon. Skedaddle.
See, the extra, just extra. I got 2 months of this. Pray for me.